With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, as the temperature is increased, the time period of a pendulum. Our options are increases proportionality with the temperature, increases, decreases, or remains constant. Okay, so as we know that the time period of a pendulum is given as 2 pi under root L by G. Okay, so when the temperature or delta theta increases, the length increases, and the expression for it is L dash is equals to L into 1 plus alpha delta theta. Correct. So what we can say is the time period T increases proportionality to the square root of length. Correct. Square root of length, but not directly proportional. Hence, what we can say is our option number 2, that is the time period T increases with the temperature. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct option for us. Okay, or what we can say is time period increases with temperature. Okay, so when the temperature rises, the time period of the pendulum clock also rises. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.